Hi everyone, I'm Alicia and I'm reporting here for Mail Online. We're at Sydney's Fox Studios today for the premiere of Un-Indian. It stars Australian cricketer Brett Lee and actress Tanisha Chatterjee. So all I can say is things are about to get spicy. Brett, this is your first feature film. How does it feel? What was the experience filming it?
It was a great experience. I've cherished every moment of it. I never thought that, you know, 1 year ago when we started filming, to this day actually, 1 year ago, that would be on the red carpet and the film's finished and it's already go. So I'm very excited.
What made you decide to do it? It's such a big change.
Yeah, look, it is a huge change, but look, I guess it wasn't something 3 or 4 years ago I thought to myself, I want to be an actor. It just came. I love the script. I love the message it sends, that love has no boundaries. I love my passion for India, so it encompassed everything and it ticked every box.
Have you learned any Hindi words that you could say? So look into the camera and say something.
Ab kaisa ho? Bahut achhe.